Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Art Nation, and today I'm going to do some calligraphy. So here I'm just preparing up my paper by putting a tape around it so that it doesn't move. And then let's start. Okay, so the materials that I'm going to use is obviously a brush, and then I've taken up it's a cup basically. In that I've put up some water. And now I'll show you the colors that I'm going to be using, and the colors that I'm using are yellow ochre, or yellow, green, blue and red. Okay, so now I'm not going to paint directly on the paper, but here I have taken up a plastic sheet. Any sheet you can take which is available near you. And then what you're supposed to do is you're going to paint on the paper, on the plastic sheet, and then we are going to place it on the paper. Okay, so let's start the process, and I'm showing you it in fast forward movement. Okay, so that you come to know what exactly I'm doing. I'm going to put one color on each side which I want to place it. Okay, so now after painting on the plastic sheet, now I'm going to turn around and paste it very softly, okay, on the paper, and I'm going to spread it evenly wherever I want to, and with very slow hands so that it sticks properly. And then once it's sticked, you can just take it off. So I'm gonna pull it, and you can see a very nice texture on the paper, and it looks amazing. Okay, so this is the textured background that I've created, and it looks amazing. And now I'm going to start up the calligraphy, where I have used some calligraphy pens, and I'll put the link in the description so that if you want you can also purchase it. And I have started up writing. Okay, so now I have finished up the letters, and now I am going to highlight it with this using these three pens, a white pen, silver pen and a golden pen, and I'm going to create something and highlight it so that it appears more good. And yeah, so this is it. Now I'm just removing the tapes and then I'll show you the final look of my art, and I hope you really liked it. So if you like this video and you want to see more such kind of videos, then please do comment below, and do like the video if you like it, and share, obviously share it so that more people can enjoy. And yeah, so I hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel.